Deep in the mountains of Yōrō, there is a spring with a mysterious fragrance. Its water smells like sake, and it is said to restore youth. This month's no play is Yōrō. First, let me briefly tell the story. A messenger sent by the emperor travels to the land of Yōrō to investigate this miraculous spring. There, he meets a poor woodcutter and his aged father. The son explains that he discovered the spring while gathering firewood in the mountain. The emperor is deeply moved by the son's devotion to caring for his elderly father. The spring is then given the name Yōrō, meaning nourishing old age, and its blessing is celebrated throughout the land. In the second half of the play, the Mountain Deity appears. The deity reveals that this miracle was not simply a wonder of nature. It appeared in response to a human heart filled with compassion and respect. The deity dances in celebration and expresses a wish for peace, prosperity, and a long life for all people. One famous phrase from the play says, "The ruler is the ship, and the people are the water." A ship cannot move without water. Likewise, a ruler cannot exist without the support of the people. The play begins with a simple act of love between a son and his father. Yet, that small kindness expands outward, from the family to nature to the gods and finally to the harmony of the entire world. Unlike many no plays that explore longing, memory, or restless spirits, Yōrō is a bright and celebratory work. Thank you for listening. I hope this episode has brought you one step closer to the world of now. See you in the next episode. ではまた。